Alrighty, you guys, what's up? We're getting ready to head out to Lamborghini Newport car meet, and so we're just gonna hop in the car and we're gonna fly down there. It's gonna be pretty sick. So for those of you who don't know, the Lamborghini of Newport car meet is a car meet that happens monthly, and this month was really special because we had the SVJ was there and the Koenigsegg Regera was there. I believe it's the only one in the US as of right now. And this is actually my first time actually going to this car meet, so it was really cool to get to film it all for you guys.
Oh, you know what? This would be a banger picture with the hot spot in the back. They don't tell you the price.
Dodge Viper ACR, renamed the GTSR just for fun because that's the race car. Super sick.
It's really tough because somebody parks right next to you.
So as I had briefly mentioned earlier, I believe there's only one customer delivered Koenigsegg Regera, and that is this car right here. So this is one of one in the US as of right now. But it's really cool to get to see this car in person like this. I did see it one other time briefly at Monterey Car Week, but it's cool to see it all opened up like this. Pretty awesome.
Car's amazing. The rear tires are so incredibly wide, it's insane. This car is so beautiful. Made almost entirely out of carbon fiber.
Alright, so then we walked by all these Agiras that were sitting outside. It's insane just how rare these cars are, and to see them all lined up like together like this is just amazing. I mean, I'm standing right now next to the record-setting Agira. This is the one that went like 277, 278, whatever it was. Then to the right is the Agira R I did a montage of, and then just right of that there is another Agira RS. And they also have the final editions, Vader and Thor. They're one of two. Both of them were there. And there's also the RS Draken. So super cool to see all of these amazing cars right next to each other. Personally, I would say that the Agiras are my favorite cars there. My favorite Agira is the RS1, but as far as at this car meet, I'd say the RS Draken. I think that's such a cool spec with the exposed carbon fiber and the red stitching.
SVJ is clearing out a little bit. That's good. It's so good.
Yeah, in a way. In a sense.
Alright, we're leaving the Lamborghini Newport Beach car meet. Super sick. One last look at the SVJ and we're out.
Tell me like a Hellcat.